Ants desire the same things as every other creature: water, food, and a safe place to live. As a result, these little insects have a penchant of invading our dwellings. And, while these small insects aren't toxic to humans, they can be an unsightly sight or, worse, munch their way through vital electrical equipment. Even though we make every effort to keep our homes clean and tidy, including cleaning those hard-to-reach places, it isn't always enough to keep the pests away. While ants and ant colonies are abundant outside, these small tyrants have a habit of seeking food and water inside our houses. This is especially prevalent in the summer, when the heat and dry weather reduce the availability of their regular sources. It only takes one ant to enter a house to set the stage for an entire army to follow, with these cunning insects leaving a scented pheromone trail that leads the rest of the colony in. Fortunately, there are a variety of natural repellents that can assist in breaking these trails and preventing future house invasions. Following is how to make repellent for home ants you can try.